So, you've had contact with the police and you may have broken the law. Now is the time for you to rewind. Hi, I'm Sergeant John Garcia with the Longmont Police Department. Rewind is a voluntary program created to divert youth away from the traditional court system. The goal of this program is to intervene early and implement interventions, resources, and support in an effort to prevent subsequent violations of the law. We know that youth have a greater capacity for change, and we want them to build on this potential. Rewind stands for Rebuilding Expectations and Walking into New Directions. You have the opportunity to be a part of this voluntary program. If you complete it successfully, you will have no record of this offense. More importantly, you will have new life skills and tools. If you choose not to participate or do not complete the program successfully, typically one of two things may happen. You will be served a summons with a date to appear in the Longmont Municipal Court, or you will be served with a district court referral with a date to appear in either the Boulder or Weld County Combined Courts. While it is recognized that some youth commit serious offenses and may need to be confined within a secure setting, I also know that research has shown that many youth are contacted by law enforcement for relatively minor offenses. Additionally, they may have family, mental health, or substance abuse issues that are affecting their functioning and decision making. Rewind is an alternative to initial or continued formal processing of a youth in the juvenile delinquency system. It is a partnership between the Longmont Municipal Court, probation, Children, Youth and Families, the Longmont Police Department, and the Longmont Community Justice Partnership. Rewind also partners with other youth-serving organizations within Longmont and Boulder County. The purpose of Rewind is to redirect youth from the criminal justice system through programming, support, and supervision if needed. Better outcomes can be achieved with this approach. It diverts youth who have committed minor offenses away from the system and engages them in community-based treatment and supports options to maintain connectedness and engagement within their community. It encourages youth to realize their own potential and value in their community. It avoids unnecessary labeling and exposure of youth to situations that may ultimately increase delinquency. The Rewind program was designed to provide youth with experiences that are different from traditional juvenile justice experiences. This program is for criminal offenses and not traffic-related matters. Services provided for youth and families in Rewind include one or more of the following: school supports, restorative justice provided by the Longmont Community Justice Partnership, service learning programs, substance use education and counseling, mental health counseling, psychoeducational groups, crisis intervention, family counseling, parenting skill development, and supports for rebuilding family relationships. Youth in the Rewind program will go through an assessment that will explore their strengths and needs, and will be referred to programs that best address their individual situations. Once you have successfully completed the recommended programs, your case will be closed and no criminal record will exist. This will allow you to move forward in your life without any long-lasting effects of this incident. You have a community that supports you and wants to see you succeed. We hope you consider this opportunity. Let's rewind together.